People. As someone know, say God answer prayers. I said Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and this is Just Nella, your place for everything beauty, travel, lifestyle, and I also do advice and some hauls. Now if they are interested in that, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, let's give a shout out to the subscriber of the day who will be listed somewhere on the screen. Thank you for your continuous support and continue to help this channel to grow, and you guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Now don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and then let's get into the video. Now today's video is just a productive day off in my life. I have a day off from work, so I'm just going about today running some errands, so you guys can come with me and see what I do. All right, let's go. So I did my first errand already. I got a little bit of a late start because, you know, I don't have to get up early for work and go leave out in the traffic. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. So I just spent a little bit of a slower morning. Oh God, shaky, because it's real shaky. So truth be told, what happened is that I am post-call, right? I had duty that finished 8 a.m. this morning, and I went home. Boy, this thing shaky, so I went home and I had breakfast. I actually bought breakfast at the canteen because who wants to go home and cook after duty? I don't know. So I bought breakfast at the canteen. I just bought something small, just stewed chicken with some food, sweet potato and dumpling and all of those stuff. Came up to $3.50. It was a small one because I didn't want much. And then when I went home, I made some tea and I had my breakfast. Thankfully, I had a little bit of a lull in the night, so I got a few hours of sleep, which is why I'm out here now and not just in my bed passed out. But I got a few hours of sleep, so I decided to say I need to do my errands because lots of times during the day, because I finish 4, I can't get to reach a lot of places because either the workplace finish at 4 or it's closed at 5 or it closed at 2:30 if it's the bank I want to go to. So I just trying to get a few stuff off of my to-do list right about now. I went home, showered, because usually I can shower at work, but I just finished and I'm going straight to my yard. So I went to my shower, I had my breakfast, and I made some tea at home. And I just, you know, took a little lull, relax, watch some shows. I watched a little YouTube, and then I left the house at around 11 o'clock. So right now it's 11:40. Before I left though, I made a few of the calls that I needed to make, because some of the places I like to call before I go so I don't waste my time going and get the information that I need to get. So if it's a possibility where I need to go another day, then I would already have that information and don't waste gas, because gas prices go up, flour go up, brick, steel. People can't live again, you know. You cannot live. I don't know. Cost of living going up and the salary is not matching it. What is this? So anyways, I'm heading out on the road now. I will catch you guys in the next clip, but I'm just driving, so enjoy some scenes of the road. I'm at Satikor because they owe me some money and I need them to run me my money. I got my wisdom tooth extracted in March. Whew. Boy, that was an experience. I looked like a chipmunk for a day or two. Anyways, I got my wisdom tooth extracted, and I find that also dentists or dental offices, especially dental surgeons, don't take health cards. So I had to pay out of pocket, and then they gave me the claim form to get my reimbursement, which I did. So I'm here to collect. Well, they're not going to give me in my hand. They're not giving me the money in my hand. But I'm here to make arrangements so that they can transfer it to my account. Apparently they had sent me a check, but maybe the post office are criminals of the highest hour, because I have never not received my mail from Sagicor before until it was to deal with money. So somebody decided to take money, and so I have to go there and actually have them transfer it to my account, because a girl didn't get her money back. And poverty is not cute, and in these times I cannot be, just dashing away money like someone named Jeff Bezos or, Warren Buffett. Girl has bills to pay and things to do. Lord, my lips look dry. God, when I couldn't tell me, look how my lips them dry. No sir, look like chips. How moisturize this? What's a calamity? Not because I'm wearing mask means my lips them must look like chips. Must moisturize. Hopefully this does not take too much time, because I don't want to spend the whole day here. But I'm gonna head in. I'm gonna put my mask on, and let us go. No, look at this. All these people are at Sagicor waiting to be seen. Lord have mercy. Will I get through today? People. As someone know, say God answer prayers. I said I didn't want to stay long, and I did not. Now, when I go in there and see that crowd, I was like, oh Jesus, a 2-hour wait this for me now. No sir, not I said the cat. But girl gets through in like half an hour. I went in at 11:53, come out it is 12:30, and mind you, that involves me walking to and from the parking lot into the building, which is around a 3-minute walk each way, plus asking for help, waiting in line to ask for the security guard or the customer service representative for information. And I get through. So turns out no, nobody at the post office never steal my stuff. They apparently just couldn't find my house, because the check was returned to Sagicor, so I got the check instead. But I give them my banking information so that they no longer have to send me a check and stop wasting paper, save the trees. And I got my check, but it was returned, and I saw on the envelope it says unable to locate house. I'm like, house way. How? You know how much mail I get every year? Sagicor gives me an update about my health insurance and all kind of other updates. I'm like, house way, how could you not? Like, whoever was that postman that day, sir, ma'am? I don't know. You need to update your Google, because this has never happened to me before. Never. House way, how? Like, are you serious? Anyways, people, unacceptable. But yeah, and the main reason I'm like, how, is because I usually use Sagicor, like the mail that they send me, or from my bank, Scotia, or any other bank. I use those as my proof of address, because I'm a freeloader in my parents' house and I don't have no bills in my name, because all the bills are in their names. So I don't usually have no bill in my name to say proof of address. I usually have to use some kind of mail that comes to me from one of the different things, like Scotia or Digicel, or because I'm a postpaid customer, or anything or Sagicor. So I just found it so strange. But apparently they couldn't find my house. But everything worked out. They paid me what they owed me. They didn't act like they forgot. So girl is now got her money, and I'm going to go on my merry little way. Now I have a few more things to do, but my shoulders have been hurting me. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and get a little massage for just a half an hour massage before I go along my way, because the rest of the stuff closes at like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I have a little bit of time, and right now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna really want to go in on lunchtime traffic, so I can use the time to get a little massage up my shoulders, the tension, and then move about. You see, this is what happens when you don't have a husband. Because if I had a husband, my husband would be massaging my shoulders in the night time, and I would not have to pay somebody. I'd only pay them on special occasions. But I saw it go. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip. But I must say, good job on Sagicor in terms of their service. Put on a seatbelt in other people in parking lots before they think some bad behaving picnic outer road. But yeah, I'm so happy that I got through. I don't know what other people are doing, but thank God for Jesus. But mind you, I did call ahead. That is one of the powers and the reasons why you should always call before you go certain places, so you can get information, so that you can move a little bit quicker and know what you need to do before you go, and you don't have to end up waiting in everlasting lines for days. But the girl got through, and girl's gonna go. Alright guys, I will see you in the next clip. Massage time. Alright guys, so I just finished my massage. I am feeling refreshed. Trust me, it's nice to take care of yourself every once in a while, because I've been feeling a bit stressed. I've been feeling stressed and overwhelmed, a bit anxious. So it was nice to decompress. I decompressed with my friends by chatting to them, but it's also nice to get a little self-care in, especially when I have work most of the time. So it was a good massage. Is it the best I've ever received? No. I mean, the best massage, trust me. I've had some massages that knock me out and make me feel like I'm floating on air, and boy, but it was definitely not the worst. It was a good massage. The worst massage, Lord Jesus, the worst massage I've ever received left me in more pain. I was so pained up. Oh my God, never again. Never went back there. But it was as I say, good massage. So now I just have to continue going back to do some errands. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't really want to get nothing, because it might mess with my flow. I feel like maybe get something on the way home instead of waiting while I'm trying to get everything done today, because I don't think I'll have the opportunity to do it for the rest of the week. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now, so I will talk to you guys in the next clip or whenever. Alright, so I'm just doing some furniture shopping. I'm trying to refurnish and update my room furniture, so I'm looking around. Music playing in the background, so enjoy my voice. Doo doo doo. charging it. But one of the last things I did was pick up a package, so I'm just gonna do a mini unboxing for you guys. Like, y'all getting everything in this, everything. Yeah. Anyways, so the first thing I got is this. I got this new set of earphones. I have a few already. I have 2 already, but I gave my little sister one, and then I have the other one. So I just got this new earphone. I also got some new products for skincare. Alright, so the first thing I got is this. This is a box of vitamin C to get the skin all clear, and because as you can see, look at this, my skin has not been cooperating with life right about now, and you know, rough on the youth. So this is how it looks outside of the package. Here you guys can see. Alright, this is how it is looking, as you guys can see. Alright, Lumen Velo. I've used this before, so I know that it's pretty good and I really enjoy it. So, you know, using it again. Next thing I got is this Thayers, which is a rose petal. I've used this before, so I know it actually works. So I actually enjoy it. So I'm happy with my purchase. If you guys hearing a little breeze or a wind, I had to turn on the fan because the place is hot and I can't. I just can't. I literally, I can't. Seriously, I can't. Alright, so I'm going to show you the guys next thing. The thing I picked up is from The Ordinary, and it is this mandelic acid, which is supposed to help with all of my skin situation. You guys can see this is pretty much a skincare haul apart from the headphones. So here is the mandelic acid, and you guys know, as with a lot of the stuff, it comes with a dropper. Yeah, this is pretty much a skincare haul, I'm just saying. Alright, so I also got some different gel here. I heard it's good for like hair and acne and stuff, so I'm gonna try it. Usually it's a prescription, but I'm buying it over the counter. I have to try some. I have to get my skin under control. I'm tired, man. I want my skin to glow. I want it just glow. I just want to look like my skin is gorgeous. Is that so hot? That is all the girl wants. That is all I need right now. Alright guys, let me show you what else I got. Okay guys, so the last 2 things are 2 new to me products. They're from this brand that I don't really know about. It's called Madagascar Sentinella. I'm going to open them to show you guys what they look like. And I guess the ampule is like a serum and oil, and it comes. And then I'll open the toner. These were pretty pricey, so I'm not even going to pretend like it was cheap. They're pretty pricey. But, and this is the toner. Yeah, so I picked up these things, picked up a package. Alright guys, so all in all, I had a pretty eventful day. I did some shopping, picked up a package, went to the bank, went to Sagicor, got a massage. So, and I pretty much completed my list, including calling who I need to call and all of the stuff that I could do via phone or email. So I pretty much got everything done off of my list, which is really, really good. And I'm home before 6, before 5. I was home before 5 o'clock, so that is great. So I think it was overall a pretty productive day in my life, or day off in my life, because guess what, work tomorrow. Me, I have work tomorrow, but I got a lot of stuff done. So sometimes that's one of the things about being a doctor, is that even when you have a day off, you may not really get a day off. Just brush these up. Yeah, even when you have a day off, you may not get a day off. What you get is the day to do other things that you may not have the opportunity to do during the week, or opportunity to do on the weekend, or try to catch up with spending time with family, friends, or anything that you need to do. So that is pretty much what I did today. A productive day off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do and you're new to the family, then thank you guys for all of your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. like this or content similar to what they may, think is good on YouTube can be reached and can get to see the channel, and the channel can grow and we can get monetized. It's time. I've been doing YouTube for like a year now, almost a year, because I started filming in June, and so it's almost my YouTube anniversary. I don't even know what I'm going to do for that, but I'm just going to continue posting videos. And thank you guys, all of you guys who have been riding with me throughout this journey for the past year. I just want to thank you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys never falter, never wobble, never wibble. You guys just continue to support this channel. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them down below, or you can hit me in the DMs and I will respond to you, or you can email me. All of that is in the description box. Until next time, peace.